Welcome back, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and click your notification button now. I love when you interact with me, so give me a shout out. Today we are making dogs in a blanket. Let's go. And I know you're laughing because your cookbook says pigs in a blanket. But as usual, I put my twist on things. And these are my special ingredients for my sauce. And my dough is made like a bread and layered with Crisco, folded 3 times. Here we go. And since I am making a croissant type blanket, I cut it in triangles and put a little slit at the base of it, and it appears to be like an Eiffel Tower. And let me back up a little here, because your dough is supposed to be refrigerated before we do any of this. Our texture should be soft but with layers. FYI, the croissant originated from Austria but quickly became adopted into the French cuisine. And guess where pigs in a blanket came from? If you guessed Germany, you were right. And here's the perfect snack you can carry to work when you're running late on an early morning. And don't forget your coffee. Let's go!